Something sad happened last week. My favorite, one and only, cat died. So I thought, well, this is an opportunity for telling stories about Cushy. Cushy became airborne, and he was all over the house trying to escape the sound of the vacuum cleaner. And flying through the air and realized the door was closed. Where was he gonna go? So he landed in the sink, in the hot, soapy dishwater.
And when she turned around, he had taken off.
Well, the animal control officer, a very gruff-sounding woman, said, "I think we found your cat. We may have found your cat." I said, "Really? Tell me about it. Where is he?" You know, she said, "Well, it's dead."
I came home from work, and as I came in the entranceway, I could hear this faint meow coming from under the house.
And then later in the spring, he came out, and we thought, well, we're not going to let him loose this time. I got a pink leash. We went around the back of the house where that crawl space door was. It was open a little bit. In a flash, there was a little head that came up on the other side of the door. It was a little chipmunk. And that look on the chipmunk's face was like, "Oh my God! Oh no!" And the look on Cushy's face was, "Ooh, what luck!" And the cat lunged forward, but of course he was on the leash. And I had my cell phone, so I called Phil, and Phil wasn't home. They had the answering machine on, so I just cried into the answering machine, "Phil, I want to come home."
I thought Judy was in the answering machine.
And Cushy had a wonderful voice. He really didn't have a meowy yowie sound. He had a chirp. He went brrr.
Hold his paws up like this, and I called it the world's cutest kitty pose. He did have a heart murmur when we took him to the vet after came down, and he started to have an asthma attack, panting and gasping, and finally went up, and his heart stopped beating.